Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yesterday, while solving this problem, it was deducted, right? Na? It was disconnected. Am I right? Next week onwards,
Yes, ma'am.
next week onwards, what I am planning, and Gaikwad sir, 1 hour session video we will release initially. Okay? Because we were in assignment problem, let me complete this. We will give you a link. In that my video will be available. First go through that video and then come. Okay? Two problems video you will get. You go through the procedure. You try to understand that. One session I will take. Otherwise we cannot complete. I cannot complete DS syllabus. If this is the situation. Hardly we are getting only 30 minutes. What do you feel? Initially, we will release videos 1 hour session videos, two videos I will release. Based from transportation problem onwards, we will release, because this is in between. Let me complete minimization and maximization this week. The next week onwards, we will provide the videos. First go through the videos, and then, okay, 2 problems anyhow we will listen through the video, and the third problem I will solve. Then and there, if you are having any queries, we will clarify our queries also. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, syllabus won't be completed. If you see the syllabus now, then problematic. Okay. Listen, good morning once again. Till here we did yesterday. That's why I wrote in the board at 10:25 itself. What we did, this is the given problem. Okay. I will share the screen also. This problem, if you remember, a department has 5 employees and 5 jobs. Okay, then what? In the given problem, it is given, you have to minimize the total man hours. You have to minimize. Okay, first we have to perform raw operation. If you are having any query, please raise your query. Raw operation, okay? Already you know how to perform raw operation. 5 is the smallest element, 10 minus 5. Okay. After that, we have to perform column operation, correct? We have to perform column operation. Here, no need to perform column operation because every column is having 0. If you observe, first column is having 0, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. Every column is having 0. What I told, you have to keep pencil along with you, pencil, scale and eraser. Okay. What I told, wherever you found a single 0, you have to mark it with a square, right? Then here in first row and second row we don't have any problem. We are having single 0, correct na? Then we can mark it. We can mark it. Okay, third row 3 zeros, fourth row 2 zeros, fifth row single 0, right? Fifth row single 0. With pencil you have to do. Don't do with pen. Okay. In fourth column, if any other 0 remaining, we have to cancel it out, right? We have to cancel it out. Then this 0 cancelled out. Here 2 zeros were there. Whenever you have made square, this particular 0 will be cancelled in this particular column. That means fourth row won't get any assignment. Clear? Students, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth row won't get any assignment. Okay, we use Hungarian method to bring the assignments. That's why what I am doing here. Listen carefully. If you know the concept, then it is very easy. Right now, draw either a horizontal or vertical line to cover maximum number of zeros. Third row is having maximum number of zeros. Fourth column is having maximum number of zeros. Here you have to decide, you want to go for either a row or a column. In general, habituated to row wise. That's why what I am doing, initially I am drawing a horizontal line. How many zeros I have covered here? 3 zeros I have covered. Okay. Then next, again, fourth column is having how many zeros? 2 zeros. Fourth row is also having 2 zeros. That is your wish. Whether you want to draw horizontal line, you can. Whether you want to draw a vertical line, your wish. Here, I am drawing a vertical line. I am drawing a vertical line. Here, next. First column is having 2 zeros. First row is having single 0. You have to cover all the zeros, right? First column is having 2 zeros. Draw a vertical line. First row is having a single 0. Draw a horizontal line. All zeros covered? Yes. Any query in this? Draw step 4. Draw either a horizontal or vertical line to cover maximum number of zeros. We have covered. Okay, then these are called as uncovered elements. Among all uncovered elements, the minimum element is 2. At intersection point, you have to add the 2. From remaining elements, you have to subtract 2. Okay, right now, the resultant matrix is the resultant matrix. Here, intersection point. Then add 2, 5 plus 2, 7. Simultaneously make a note, everybody. Here 10, intersection point. Add that smallest element, 12. 11 will come as it is. 0. Here 6 minus 2, 4. 15 minus 2, 13. 10. 3 minus 2, 1. Like that write down. 8 plus 2, 10. 5. 0. Here see 0 is there at intersection point. Then you have to add that smallest element. 0 plus 2. Assignment is not there right now. 0. Next, 0, 4 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 5 minus 2, 3, 5 minus 2, 3, 6 minus 2, 4, 0, 8 minus 2, 6. Clear till here? Any query? Right now, you have to make the assignments. First row, you are having a single 0. Then you have to mark it with a square. Similarly, with pencil, you have to do in the final examination. Don't do it with pen. Second row, you are having a single 0. Mark it with a square. Third row, you are having 2 zeros. Fourth row, you are having 3 zeros. Fifth row, you are having a single 0. Mark it with a square. This will be cancelled out whenever you have made a square, correct, in this particular column. Then fifth row, you are having a single 0. In this particular column, if any other 0 found, cancel it out. These 2 zeros cancelled out, remaining is a single 0. Mark it with a square. In this particular column, if any other 0 found, cancel it out. Third row, this 0 cancelled out, remaining is a single 0. Got 5 assignments? Yes. This is your optimal solution. How to write down the answer? A goes to C. A goes to which position? Second position, second column. A goes to 2. In the original matrix, what is the value of 2? It's 5. B goes to 1. B goes to 1. What is the value? 3. C goes to 5. C goes to 5. What is the value? 2. D goes to 3. D goes to 3. What is the value? 9. E goes to 4. What is the value? 4. This is your answer, 23. What they asked? Minimize total man hours, that is 23 hours. Students, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the procedure. Here, row operation performed. After that, every column is having a single 0. That's why no need to perform column operation. Students will write again column operation and they will rewrite the same matrix. If it is 0 is there, for external he or she will see, correct na? Whether 0 is there or not. No need to write the same matrix again and again. It's waste of time. Fold the page, left hand side, whatever the given problem. Right hand side again row operation. If column operation exists here, then check for assignments, then go for step 4. Clear? Next problem. If you are having any queries, please raise your queries. You have to write down the total man hours is equal to 23. Next, this problem, fourth problem we will solve right now because 10 to 12 times repeated in previous exams from 2002 pattern. Okay? Shall I wrap?
Okay, ma'am.
The problem? Students? Screen, I have shared the screen also. Fourth problem. Directly they ask this problem, solve the following assignment problem for minimization. Okay, take down the values. Important problem. So many times appeared in the final exam. Perform row operation if you have completed. समझ में आ रहा है क्या नहीं आ रहा है? Students getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Only one girl. Every time the same voice I am hearing. What about boys? Nobody wants to take initiative. They want to keep quiet or they want to keep mum. Here. Perform row operation. You know how to perform row operation. First row, smallest element is 8. Subtract from 8. 8 minus 8. That directly I am writing the answers. 11 minus 8, 3. Second row, which is minimum 3, right? Based on assignment problem also, I will release 1 hour video. Little bit. Okay, who didn't understand? They will see the video. 12 minus 8, here 8 is minimum. Fourth row, which is minimum 12. Fifteen is 12 is minimum. 18 minus 12. 6. 12 minus 12. 18 minus 12. 6. 17 minus 12. Next. Last row, 8 is minimum. Correct? Values, everybody are getting the same values? Students, everybody getting same values after performing row operation?
Ma'am, in fourth row there is no 12. 15 is lesser.
Here 18, 12, na? It's okay, 21. I
No, it's 20.
Okay. I have entered wrong value, sorry. It's 21, I have taken 12. Then the values differ, right? Okay, then 15 is, here I have taken instead of 21, 12. That's right. 3, 6, 3, 2, 0. Is it okay right now? Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Here again see, no need to, here first column, again we have to perform column operation. First column is having 0, second column is having 0, third, fourth, fifth. Okay? Then with pencil you have to make assignments. First row is having 3 zeros, second row is having a single 0, mark it with a square. With pencil, don't do it with pen. Okay. Third row is having a single 0, correct? Mark it with a square. Then, if you have marked in this particular column, if any other zeros fall, we have to cancel it out. That means fourth row won't get any assignment. That means we are not getting assignments. That means the problem right now doesn't possess optimal solution. Then we have to enter into step 4. Okay, step 4. Draw either a horizontal or vertical line to cover maximum number of zeros. Here, see. First row is having how many zeros? 3 zeros. Draw a horizontal line. Here, fourth column is having 2 zeros. Fifth column is having 2 zeros, right? Draw a vertical line. Draw a vertical line. Next, here, these are called as uncovered elements. Among, clear na? Anybody is having any query? Students, समझ में आ रहा है क्या? One
हाँ
boy.
मैम.
Yes, I want one boy.
Yes मैम.
समझ
Yes,
में
ma'am.
आ रहा है क्या? Okay. See. First row is having 3 zeros. Fourth column is having 2 zeros. Fifth column is having 2 zeros. That's why what I did initially, I have drawn a horizontal line, later vertical lines. Remaining elements are called as uncovered elements, right? Then among all uncovered elements, you have to choose the smallest element is 1. At intersection point, you have to add. Write down. No need to perform column operation here. Then take down as it is 0, 0, 0. Intersection point is that's where this one will be added. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Next, 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 0, 1 remains as it is. Yesterday, one student had asked, Ma'am, A 0, 1 aisa hi likhna hai kya? Yes, you have to write. Wherever intersection point is there only you have to add. Remaining cases, you have to write down as it is. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1, 0. Similarly, apply. 3 minus 2, 6 minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2, 0. 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 0. Everybody got the same matrix? आप लोग simultaneously try करने का, okay? Okay. Then again same situation. See here, first row 3 0, second row 2 0. See, third row is having a single 0. If you mark it with this square, what will happen in this particular column? If any other 0 found, you have to cancel it. Cancel it out, right? Then fourth row again we are not getting assignments. We are not getting assignments. That's why you have to repeat the procedure until you will get optimum solution. Right? Right now, step 4. Apply step 4. Horizontal line I am drawing because maximum number of zeros I have to give preference. Next one is C. Here second row is having 2 zeros. Fifth column is having 2 zeros. Okay, fourth column. If you want to take column wise, you can take it. Okay, here. If I take fourth column, how many zeros I am covering? 2 zeros. If I take fifth column, how many zeros I am covering? 2 zeros. Here, listen carefully. Here, single zero is remaining. Okay, some students will take horizontal line. Here, I am taking vertical line instead of horizontal line. Why Lakshmi ma'am is taking vertical line? Maybe she knows the answer, that's why. No, that is not the case. Here see, if I draw a horizontal line, how many intersection points I will get? 2 intersection points I will get, right? If I take a vertical line, how many intersection points? Only 1 intersection point. Here also. Here, listen carefully, this is very important. If I take horizontally, listen here, 0, 1 is there, correct? At the 0 and 1 place, I will get intersection point. This 0 anyhow goes off. If intersection point comes, you have to add a minimum element. This assignment will go off. Then this one also again we have to add somewhere. If I draw vertical line, how many intersection points? Try to avoid the number of intersection points. If I draw vertically, anyhow only 1 intersection point at 0. If I draw here also, this 0 will go off. If I draw here also, this 0 and 1 you have to make intersection point. Anyhow 1 0 will go off. That's why instead of taking horizontal line, better to take vertical line. Try to reduce intersection points. Clear, students? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
May I know whose voice? Whose voice is this? Girl's name? क्या नाम है? Yes, miss?
Ma'am, Shivani.
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 My daughter is speaking. No one else, right? Here, try to understand this. Try to avoid maximum number of intersections. That's why I have taken vertical line. For example, ma'am, unfortunately, I have taken horizontal line. What will happen? Nothing will happen. Right now, I will get optimum solution answer. Maybe you have to solve one more iteration, then you will get answer. But try to use the shortcuts. Here, intersection point is 0. In this, among all uncovered elements, minimum element is 1, right? At intersection point, add that one, 0 plus 1. Remaining cases, 0, 0, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Here, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 0, 1. 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. I hope this value is 1 only. 1, 0. Take one. Okay. Then 2. 5 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 2, 0. 1. 2 minus 1. 1 minus 1. 0, 4. Finally, you will get these values. Right now, listen carefully. First row is having 2 zeros. Second row is having 3 zeros. Third row 2 zeros. Fourth row is having a single zero. Mark it with a square. In this particular column, if any other zero found, cancel it out. Whenever you have cancelled the third row value, then how many zeros remaining? Single zero is remaining. Mark it with a square. In this particular column, if any other zero found, you have to cancel it out. Okay, once you have cancelled, first row is having single zero, fifth row is having single zero. I have considered your fifth row single zero. In this particular column, if any other zero found, you have to cancel it out. Okay, this zero cancelled out. First row consists of a single zero. Mark it with a square. In this particular column, if any other zero found, cancel it out. The remaining is a single zero. Finally, got 5 assignments. Yes. The given problem is the optimum solution. Okay. Right now, you know how to write down the answer. How to write down? A goes to which place? A goes to 2.
Second.
What is the value? 8. B goes to 1. B goes to 1. What is the value? It's 4. C goes to 3. What is the value? 10. D goes to 5. What is the value? 15. E goes to 4. What is the value? 8. The answer is 45. Here they didn't ask about minutes, time, whatever. They did simply they asked solve the assignment problem for minimization. No need to write anything. Just 45 is your answer. Okay. Shall I go for maximization?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are having any queries, please raise your queries because minimization problem over. You know the procedure, you know how to draw horizontal and vertical lines. That's why I will give some sample problems, you have to practice it. One student wants to ask the doubt, please raise your doubt. Hello, कौन बात किया था? Hello? Anybody is having any queries or all queries? Students, आप लोगों को ही पूछ रहे हैं, otherwise I will go for another problem. Understood? हिंदी में भी बोल सकता है. I am poor in Hindi. I am poor. Answer. अभी बोलूँ. आप लोग हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं, हिंदी में भी क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं, बट आई एम पूर इन हिंदी, आई विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व. ऐसा कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना स्टूडेंट्स?
नो मैम.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सब समझ में आ रहा है क्या? सब समझ में आ रहा है तो आई विल पिक वन स्टूडेंट. He or she has to answer my question. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aditi, Aditi Verma. Aditi Verma. Can you explain Hungarian method? Okay, she's not. Balaji. Balaji Rathod. बालाजी बालाजी भगवान का नाम रखा है, आप दिख रहे इधर मेरे को। बालाजी, यू डोंट वांट टू आंसर? आप लोगों को कुछ बताना नहीं है क्या? लक्ष्मी मैडम, आपका काम आप कर लेना, सिर्फ लेक्चर देने का काम है आपका, डाउट्स नहीं पूछने का। ऐसा है तो मैं भी ऐसा ही करूंगी। ऋषभ, ऋषभ 901 1901 ऋषभ। योगेश, क्यों बात नहीं कर रहे? शिवानी,
Yes, ma'am.
क्यों नहीं बात कर रहे हैं आप लोग? आपका फ्रेंड्स सब लोग ऐसा मौन व्रत कर रहे हैं क्या?
Idea.
नो आइडिया, आपको कैसा पता चलेगा? गीता, गीता, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन हंगेरियन मेथड? Who are interested to explain Hungarian method?
Ma'am, can I explain?
May I know your good name?
My name is Anshul, ma'am.
Okay, Achil. 1907.
Yeah.
Very good. Achil, explain. Achil, explain.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, we have to find whether the given matrix is balanced or not.
Very good.
If not, we have to add either row or column depending on that matrix.
Okay, okay. I have not said
Then
now you have an idea. Very good. Before entering,
then we have to perform row operation.
Next step.
Sorry, ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Okay, okay. Before entering,
Then we have to perform.
Tell me.
Then we have to perform row operation.
Very good.
In which we have to find the minimum value row and subtract it from other elements.
Okay.
Then we have to perform column operation.
Very good.
After that, if we get the assignment,
you have to search for a single zero that you are missing sentence. That sentence is what after
yes.
row operation and column operation
we have to
single zero. Continue, Achil. Continue.
Yes. If a particular row has single zero, then we have to assign that task to particular and delete out all the zeros that are present in that column.
Yes, very good. You have
after that if there is a
then
if assignments,
okay, very
say
good.
for it, draw horizontal or vertical line which covers maximum zeros.
Yes. Among
then
all
we have to uncovered element, we have to find minimum value, and that value we have to add section point and subtract it from uncovered element, and then check for the assignment.
Very good, actually. Very good. Keep it up. Remaining students also.
Ma'am, it's Anshul.
क्या नाम है?
It's Anshul, Anchul.
Okay, Anshul. Okay, very good, Anshul. Keep it up. Okay, next.
Thank you.
Today we are having only 4 minutes time remaining. That's why what we will do, I will explain the procedure of maximization problem. Maximization problem. We will go the fifth problem. Just to go through the problem. Fifth problem. Everybody. Fifth, or I will tell you 1 second. Not fifth, sixth. Seventh problem. Students, take it as homework. Fifth and sixth problems, take it as homework and try to solve. If you are unable to solve, I am here to explain, okay? Anyhow, we will release the video based on assignment problem. Read the problem. A marketing manager, that problem. Salesman will work for maximum profit, right now? Here clearly they have mentioned, last line if you observe, find the assignment of salesmen to districts that will result in maximum sale. I have highlighted. That means from the problem, we know that the given problem is of maximization. The given problem is of maximization. Only one step we have to follow here. The difference between minimization and maximization is, whatever the problem they have given, in this, the first rule, in the entire matrix, you have to search for largest element or maximum value. Here in this given problem, the maximum value or the largest element is what? 41. How many times it has repeated? Twice. If you observe, third row A and fourth row C. 41 appeared how many times? Twice. The largest element is 41. Then from 41 you have to subtract the remaining elements, that is 41 minus 32, 41 minus 38. Entire matrix you have to subtract from 41. Then you will get a matrix. The resultant matrix is known as opportunity cost or relative loss matrix. Clear? Then after getting that relative loss matrix, you have to proceed as usual by using Hungarian method. In Hungarian method, what we will do? We will perform row operation, column operation. We will search for assignments. If we didn't get assignments, we have to go for horizontal and vertical lines concept. Only one step here. First, you have to check whether the given matrix is balanced or not. That is common for all assignments problem, whether it is minimization, maximization, unbalanced or prohibited assignments. Here 5 by 5 matrix is given, that's why the given matrix is balanced. First read the problem. In the given problem it is showing you have to maximize the sales. That means the given problem is of maximization. Before entering into step 1, what we have to do? We have to find out the largest element from the problem or maximum value. From that value, you have to subtract the entire matrix. That is 41. 41 has appeared twice. That's why you have to subtract from 41. Finally, you will get first column and third column, you will get zeros. Then, similarly, proceed for Hungarian method. Clear? Next lecture, we will solve this. 6th and 7th problems, take it as homework, try to solve. If you are unable to solve it, I am there to help you. Do you feel you need 1 or 2 sessions, okay, videos related to assignment problem? How many students want videos for assignment problem? Nobody? Aditi? Okay, Kshitija, right.